Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 610 model. This is the Professional Series. It's like a Pet Series, only better than Pet Series. It is used, but it's in a great condition. It works great, and the battery lasts over 2 hours. So it's a really good Roomba here. I'll show you what I got here real quick. So I got the Professional Series charger. Professional Series, I mean as in the cord is actually longer than standard ones. So you got a good charger here, a slim docking station. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. Alright. Got the Professional Series case. It's very good for organizing all the accessories in case you're not using them. Alright. So here we got the 2 side brushes. They're used, but they're in great shape. So you got 2 side brushes here. Got 2 cleaning tools here, for cleaning brushes and whatnot. Alright, got a screwdriver for replacing the side brush. So if your side brush is wore out, you can just replace it using a screwdriver here. Comes in handy, so you don't look for anywhere else. So you got the brand new filters, so 2 brand new filters. Got a vacuum bin here. It's in good condition here. So this is just like a spare vacuum bin in case one gets dirty and you don't have time to clean it. You can swap this in there. So it's okay condition here. Shows a little bit of use. But everything has been cleaned here and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get that nice clean robot. You get also another set of brushes. These are very clean. They're in great shape. 2 virtual wall lighthouses. Alright, also in excellent shape. But in pictures you can see a little more details. Alright, and the Roomba itself. Alright, it shows a little bit of use. You can see a little scuffs maybe. But it works great. So from far away you can't see any scuffs at all. So it looks like an almost new Roomba. But the bumper has a little bit of use. It shows. So on the pictures you can see a little more details. All right, flip it over. So here we got the brand new side brush. So it's brand new. The front wheel is also in great shape. Has a model number in case you're interested. So like I said, everything has been cleaned and disinfected. And I'll remove the dustbin here a second. Alright. So here's a vacuum bin. It's in great shape. There's a serial number in case anybody interested in. Alright. So this has the black cleaning head module, which has the ball bearings to protect the gears from getting any hair or debris in it. So everything has been cleaned here, like I said before. There's the ball bearings. And I re-lubed it just in case, the gears, so you get long life out of this Roomba. It's in great shape, and I'll show you guys that it works great. And like I said before, the battery lasts over 2 hours, and that's with hardwood floors and carpet mix. So most likely get more than that if you just have hardwood floors. There you go, I'll show you that works. And do a straight run so you guys will see that the bumper sensors work fine. So everything has been checked, and make sure everything works properly. So you guys will be happy with your product. So here you go. Show you guys works great. Straight run. So bumper sensors work. So everything works on it. So happy bidding. And just to let you know, this retailed for $599, so around $600. So this is the very nice Roomba. Thanks for watching.